Creating a newsletter in Mailchimp involves several steps to ensure it's visually appealing and effectively communicates your message. Here's a concise guide. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Create a new campaign. Navigate to the Campaigns tab and click Create Campaign. Choose Email and then select Regular Email to start a newsletter. Name your campaign. Enter a name for your campaign to help identify it later. Click Begin to proceed. Choose your recipients. Select the audience you want to send the newsletter to. You can segment your audience if needed for targeted distribution. Set up your email. Enter a subject line and a preview text that will appear in recipients' inboxes. Design your newsletter. Click Design Email to start building your newsletter. Use Mailchimp's drag and drop editor to add and arrange content blocks, including text, images, and buttons. Customize the layout and style according to your brand's design guidelines. Preview and test. Use the preview and send test email features to check how your newsletter looks across different devices and email clients. Send or schedule. Once you're satisfied with the design and content, click Send to deliver the newsletter immediately or schedule it for a later time.